Today we're doing an oil change on a 2009 Crown Victoria P71. We're going to need a Motorcraft FL820S oil filter and 6 quarts of 5W20 oil. We're using a 16mm socket. There we go. Oil will start dripping out. Make sure you have a pan underneath to catch it. And it's just gonna make a mess on the steering and the subframe and everything. So it is what it is. Steering rack, that's what it's called. There it comes. My least favorite part about working on this car. Brake clean is gonna be our friend here. New oil filter. Put some oil around the seal here. Just get our new filter on. You gotta fish it up through here, super tight squeeze. Now this is a 2009 P71. It takes a FL820S filter. They changed something with the oil cooler and the oil filter housing in late model 2009. So 2009 and 2011 actually take a FL910S, which has different threads. These are metric and those are standard. So make sure you get the right filter because there is 2 different filters for the 2009s and 2011s. Since this is so hard to get to, I never tighten it super tight. So once it stops spinning by hand, just give it a little more with both hands. That's all it needs. The drain bolt has a built-in rubber O-ring, so I'm going to leave that in place. It should be good for another oil change. We'll slow down the slow drip. We can replace our drain pan bolt. Got my torque wrench set to 25 foot-pounds. Move that. Cool. We've got our jug full with 6 quarts, and the fill is on the passenger side valve cover right there. Now we'll double check our oil level on our dipstick. Perfect, we're on the hashes. Now that it's been filled for oil, we'll start it up and check for leaks. Oil filter housing looks good, no leaks. Oil pan looks good, no leaks.